Hello YouTube, this is Sandeep and you are watching my channel Sandeep Orchid. Today I am going to discuss about very common problems during rainy season. Almost everyone faces this kind of problems, that is crown rot and stem rot. Sometimes we notice that even after using fungicides or taking all kind of precautions, but we are unable to control rotting. Then we get worried what I should do now. But don't worry, I will show you an easy way. So keep watching till the end. Here one of my Catesitum is badly affected by fungus. Here was the new growth. I was forced to cut it from the base. I put cinnamon powder in that place and stopped watering for 2 days. And this is a Syncoches variety. It's also in same condition. I also cut it for the same reason. Just soaked the roots in hydrogen peroxide solution for a while, and now I will use cinnamon powder in that infected area from where I cut off the stem. It's available in everyone's kitchen, cinnamon powder, and it works very well in any fungal or bacterial infection. Now I will use I will apply it on the affected area. So here we can see some growth nodes. There is a possibility of new growths from here and here. And this time I will cut the damaged roots. Now I am sanitizing the scissor. Always use sanitized scissor so that there is no chance of infections. And cut out the damaged roots because there is a chance of infection again. Remove the dead parts of roots. Remove all the dead parts, and after that I take a clay pot. Many holes are there, you can see, to pass water. And this is pine bark. I cut it into medium size pieces. And this is pieces of brick. I will mix it both 50-50. For potting mix and potting, you can see my another video on my YouTube channel. Now I am filling some medium pine bark and bricks. Then I will put the plant. I will just put the roots inside the medium from here. Just put the roots like this, and now fill more medium pine bark and bricks do a little tightly so that the plant does not move for initial stage, to let it the roots develop. And it's almost completed. Potting, and 2 weeks later a new fresh and healthy growth come out from the base. It's one of my favorite plant, Cinchona jumbo legend. Nice fragrant and big flower. So I was worried how to survive it. So now successfully done, you can see. And this is one of my hybrid Phalaenopsis. It's also affected by fungus, so that the result is crown rot. And another plant had same condition last year, but the plant was alive again. You can see the healthy leaves and new roots come out from the base. And so I hope it will help you. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.